So in this one we're going to discuss about the broadcasting in the Python. So let's suppose we are having this matrix where we have in here carbs, in here proteins, then here fats, then we are having here apple, then some other food, beef, then we might have here eggs, then we are having here potatoes. Now we're going to have some numbers. So these are our numbers, alright. So if we try to count the calories in apple, then counting all these 56 plus 1.2 plus 1.8, it will going to be sum of 59 calories, alright. And calorie percentage of carbs or proteins or fats in the apple will be like we'll divide that number by 59. So let's suppose carb percentage in the apple, that will be something around 94%, right? So 94.9 or something like that if you use calculator. So that's how it will be. So when we are going to calculate the whole thing, how we are going to do those things in Python, we are having some code for that, right? So we're going to import numpy. We have some of the matrix over here, and we have printed the matrix over here, and we calculated the sum of these, like these things: 43 plus 22 plus 67, that will be 132. Just like that, we calculated all these things. And so this is the basic line where broadcasting is happening, right? So that is how it is going, like it is working. So basically I didn't run these lines, that's why it was giving me an error. So I'm going to calculate, I'm going to do the reshape of 1 by 4 and a divided by cal. So this thing we are going to divide by a, like we are going to divide a by cal, like the thing that we were talking about, this thing, the total that we are going to divide, and that whatever the output that is going to be, we're going to multiply that thing by 100, so we can get rid of this thing as well if we want to. So that's the basic thing of broadcasting. So let's get more clear in the terms of mathematical equations or mathematical terms how broadcasting works in the Python. So let's suppose this is the matrix, and we are adding this with this one, alright. And what Python will be doing, Python will be working its magic and making this look like this behind the scenes, and the output of that will be we didn't had 105, so we'll just remove that. We have until 104, so that's what going to happen. So works with both column and row. So if we're using the similar form of broadcasting earlier with the constant constant uh, we are adding to vector being the parameter b in the logistic regression example that we can do one thing. We can have this kind of matrix. What Python will going to be doing is this is m by n matrix, and this is 1 by n matrix, right? So it is somehow going to create m by n matrix. So it is going to copy these terms and it is going to have this matrix. Alright, so this will be our new matrix and these two will be getting added and the result will be 101 202 303 104 205 and 306. That's the output will be. So what are the things are going to be? So this thing will be working in the m comma 1 as well. So let's have the same thing here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 100 and 200. So this is m comma 1 and this is m n. So Python will be some magically doing this, converting this thing into this thing. Alright, so how it will do that, it will just copy basically these things and add those. So the general principle is going to be looking like, if we are having matrix m comma n and we are going to divide, add, subtract, multiply or divide that thing with 1 comma n, then Python will convert that thing somehow to m comma n matrix. And then the second rule will be, if we are going to have n by n matrix and we are going to do the same things with that one and we are just having m by n, then also Python will be doing the same thing with the whole matrix. So Python is going to copy the whole thing, and even if the general like real numbers we are going to have, Python is going to do the same thing. So for example, let's have this matrix and add that with 100. That's just the number, right? So what it will be going to look like: 101 102 103, and you know what is happening in the back end magic. So yeah, so that's basic broadcasting for you guys. So see you guys in the next one.